Let's talk about the proper way to start your Husqvarna chainsaw when the engine is cold. This is commonly referred to as a cold start. Move the front handguard forward to engage the chain brake. Pull the choke out completely, then push the air purge 6 times. Using your left hand, hold the body of the chainsaw on the ground and put your right foot through the rear handle. Pull the starter rope handle slowly with your right hand until you feel some resistance. Then pull the starter rope hard. Keep pulling the starter rope up to a maximum of 5 times until the engine either starts or tries to start. Once the engine starts or tries to start, push the choke in to the half choke position. Keep pulling the rope until the engine starts. Hold the rear handle with your right hand and the front handle with your left hand. Then immediately pull the front hand guard back toward the front handle to disengage the chain brake. Let the chainsaw idle for 20 to 30 seconds at high speed. Pull the throttle trigger slowly but completely for 8 to 10 seconds. Release, then run another 10 seconds at normal idle speed. To check acceleration, pull the throttle trigger slowly but completely for another 5 seconds and release. Now you're ready to use your chainsaw.